Very good morning, my dear students. I am Ruhi ma'am. Today we solve section B, question answer, chapter 4. A. Answer the following. Number 1. What are the advantages of internet? इंटरनेट के एडवांटेजेस क्या हैं? आंसर. एडवांटेजेस ऑफ इंटरनेट. ए. सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. इंटरनेट गिव्स us access to a vast pool of information from where we can get the knowledge on any imaginable topic. B. Mode of communication. Using this we send emails very quickly. We can talk to others using audio and video call facilities. C. E-shopping. We can buy anything from anywhere within the comfort of our home. D. E-banking. We can access our bank accounts on our computing devices to perform any type of financial or non-financial transaction. E. Entertainment. It can be used to watch movies, TV shows, listen to music and play games. F. Education. We can access e-books on the internet free of cost or at a very nominal subscription fee. We can register for online courses and get certified by reputed colleges and universities. Number 2. Write down the safety measures while using computers and internet. Computers और इंटरनेट जब हम यूज़ करते हैं तो उसके बारे में सेफ्टी मेजर्स लिखना है. आंसर. द फॉलोइंग are the safety measures while using computers and internet. A. Install protective software. Install protective software and set it to scan your files and folders for viruses on a regular basis. Choose strong passwords. Use a combination of letter, numbers and special characters to create a strong password. Create a different password for each important account and update it regularly. C. Backup on regular basis. Make a practice to take regular backup of the important data. D. Control access to your machine. Do not leave your computer unattended or logged on, especially in public places. E. Use email and internet safety. Do not open the email with an attachment or links from people you do not know. F. Protect sensitive data. Remove all the sensitive data files from the hard disk, especially when recycling or repurposing your computer. G. Use firewall. Firewall is the most basic way to safeguard your computer from being accessed by a burglar, especially via internet. Number 3. Write a short note on the following. A. Phishing. B. Spamming. Phishing और spamming के बारे में आपको short note लिखना है. Answer. Phishing. This is a fraudulent act of collecting secret information of the user like his bank account details, credit card information, net banking passwords, etc. using authentic looking emails. Such emails appear to be genuine and sent by the banks which collect information to perform fraudulent activities. Now B. Spamming. It refers to unwanted emails sent in bulk to multiple users for promoting products or services. This type of emails are sent forcefully to the people who otherwise do not want to receive them. Most of these emails are harmless, but they exhaust the storage space and make it difficult for us to identify the important emails received. Number 4. List the ways to protect your privacy. List लिखना है privacy protect करने के लिए. Answer. There are 3 ways to protect privacy. A. Never share your account details like login ID or passwords with others. B. Avoid keeping any confidential information in your system and delete it if it is no more required. C. Cookies stored in your system by other websites cause leakage of information. Delete them on a regular basis. Number 5. How can you protect intellectual property rights from getting violated? Answer. The various acts regarding the protection of intellectual property rights are: A. Copyright Act. This act protects the rights of a company on its. B. Industrial Property Act. This act protects the rights of a company on its designs, formulations or names, etc. C. Patent. This act protects the rights of an individual or company on its research work. D. Trademark. This act protects right to a company on its name, logo, color, design, etc. used for its products. Number 6. Define plagiarism. What steps can be taken to prevent it? Define करना है आपको plagiarism का. इसे प्रिवेंट करने के लिए हम कौन सा स्टेप ले सकते हैं? आंसर. Plagiarism deals with stealing of ideas and thought of other people on the internet and projecting them as one's own work without the permission of the original author. This is considered as cybercrime and is a punishable act. These steps can be taken to prevent it. A. If you use ideas text information from a website, always acknowledge the website from the where it is taken. B. Seek written permission of the author whose contents you are using for your work. C. Write the content in your own language. Never use a published text without acknowledged reference. D. You can also put such contents in quotes for avoiding plagiarism. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, चैप्टर 4 में सेक्शन बी का क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो गया है. आप लोग अच्छे से नोट कीजिए. थैंक यू.